Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In this episode we're going to talk about chains, specifically gold chains in the Equinox, and man, I wish it would do much better job. And I'm curious about other metal detectors and how well they do on these gold chains, but we're going to put some gold chains and a few silver items through a test today. We're going to be selecting the winner of last week's Would You Dig It, and at the end of this video I have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway for a $25 Amazon gift card. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, that's Christine's bracelet right there. Let's crank the sensitivity up to 22. Let's go 90 degrees. Let's go with the faster recovery speed. Let's try it with the slower recovery speed. Okay. Let's drop that really low. Recovery speed 1 and swing real slow. Let's go 90 degrees over here. Man, this thing just does not want to detect chains. There's the chain. Okay guys, I'm back here at my test beach area, and I don't have that bracelet anymore. I sent it on to Christine, and I wish I had it to test out because I've been going nuts ever since I found it. Because, you know, one of the reasons I got the Equinox is it was supposed to be fairly good with gold chains, even though gold chains are very difficult. And what I have over here is I got a couple of chains. I got a 10 karat gold chain here. I have a 14 karat gold, white gold chain right here. I have a silver bracelet right here and a gold plated over silver chain right here. Okay, so let's go right back to this 10 karat chain. It's a Figaro style chain. It's just like the bracelet. It's 10 karat. It's as closest match as I have without having that bracelet, right? So okay, I'm going to do a factory preset just to make sure I have everything right back to factory normal. Okay, nice and dusty, just the way everything is. All right, I'm gonna move on over to beach 1. Turn the light on for you guys. Let's get the volume up. Okay, got the volume as high as it can be. Recovery speed's at 6, right? So everything factory preset, beach 1. Okay, no, I'm getting the middle of the chain. Let's try getting the end. Sounds just like a piece of foil, huh? Let's get the clasp. A little bit better thud on the clasp. Now let's move on over here to the 14 karat gold. It's broken, it's thin, it's also laid out. Nada. Sensitivity, let's take to 23. Nothing. Let's go over the clasp. Just barely over the clasp. Go back over the chain part. Nothing. Let's go to all metal mode. Nothing. Nothing. That part drives me nuts. All right, here is a silver bracelet. Silver, the Knox, we know it loves each other. But it's the shape of it. That's quite a bit of silver, so it's going to detect it. You know, there's no way it's not going to detect that. But, you know, the VDI and the tone is unique. And yeah, I am in 5 tones. I can't hunt in any other way. Maybe 2 tones would be okay with me, but not 50. That would drive me insane. No. This is also a gold over silver, so it's a silver chain. See, nice and low tone. Also thinks it's a thick piece of foil. That's the way silver behaves in chain form. It really likes that thick silver one, but man, it does not pick this thing up at all. Alright, let's go back to the 10 karat. Okay, now let's try it in Beach 2. See if it's any different. Oh, let's just move that sensitivity back on down to 20. Let's stretch that back out a little bit. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. I bunched it up a little bit. Let me jump that back to Beach 1 again. Okay, let's go back over here. Just picking up the clasp. Let's go behind the clasp. Not finding any part of that chain. See that? Nothing. Right now it's in the center. Nothing. Alright, let's go to Beach 2. Nothing. That's where the clasp is. So it picks up the clasp, and we know the silver. It loves the silver. Man, so is there a machine that we know in modern times that will find gold like that? Little tiny thin gold chain. Both of these gold chains I found by sight. Here is the very thin 14 karat gold chain. Here is the 10 karat gold chain. So guys, I would like to be able to find more small skinny gold chains. I find so many by sight. Can you imagine if I could actually detect them and dig them up? So that is my goal for 2022, is just simply to find smaller, thinner gold chains. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do that with the Equinox. I'm going to play around. I don't want to hunt the beach in gold mode. Don't want to do it because that's not what I do. I hunt the beach looking for coins and rings and many other things, right? I do want to find gold chains, but I don't want to sacrifice anything else, right? I want to move along fairly swiftly, and I want to find those treasure patches, because to me that's what I do best. Okay, I move along the beach, I try to locate a nice treasure patch, and usually I find a nice location, a deposit patch, and dig it up, unless I'm hunting the dry sand. In the dry sand, I wouldn't mind switching over to gold mode and detecting that way. I love those experiments in the dry sand, because if I'm hunting in the dry sand, I know the wet sand is pretty much not really a good detectable location for me, or the targets are going to be slim there, right? So anyways, guys, let's select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? Okay guys, I have one for you here for a $50 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. Check this one out. Now, I am in Beach 1, and let's just... All right, let's go 90 degrees. So comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $50 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. All right, let's get this one on out of here. There it is, right there. It's the silver ring that I dug for Christine at the Trestles. Okay guys, it's time to select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? I'm going to my TubeBuddy app. I'm selecting pick a winner. Comment must contain the words silver ring. Pick a winner. Detector. Love that. Silver ring. Well, that's a perfect answer, Detector. Send me an email. You can find that in the About Me section of my channel page, and I will send you out your $50 Amazon gift card. Congratulations, Detector. Send me an email. You can find that in the About Me section of my channel page, and I will send you out your $50 Amazon gift card. And guys, don't get discouraged. I have another Would You Dig It contest happening right now for a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select on Thursday, January 6th, guys. Just to let you know, the entire month of January, I am taking the month off from doing Tutorial Tuesdays, but I still will be doing the Would You Dig It's on Thursdays. So, on Thursday the 6th, we will be selecting the winner of this Would You Dig It. So let's check it out. Okay guys, I have a Would You Dig It here for a $25 Amazon gift card. I am in Park 1. And sensitivity, we're going to move to 16. A little chattery, I'm going to move it down to 15. Okay, so I got an item right here. Let me go 90 degrees. Would you dig it? If you would dig it, comment below, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we're going to select a week from Thursday's video. So in Thursday's video, in a week. All right, so right here, guys, one more time. Would you dig it? I dug it. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below and you will have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select on Thursday, January 6th, all right? And that's my Thursday video, January 6th, guys, that we will select this winner. So, if you like this video, please click like. If you want to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at either one of these videos.